The proverb, "Many drops make a shower," is a vivid and eloquent expression that highlights the collective impact of individual contributions or efforts. It suggests that when many small elements or actions are combined, they can lead to a significant and meaningful result. This proverb is a metaphorical representation of the idea that unity, collaboration, and the aggregation of efforts can lead to substantial outcomes. At its core, this saying emphasizes the power of collective action. It conveys the notion that when individuals come together and work in harmony toward a common goal, their combined efforts can yield remarkable results. It underscores the importance of teamwork, cooperation, and community in achieving a shared objective. In the context of social and political change, "Many drops make a shower" highlights the significance of grassroots movements and the impact of individual voices coming together. It demonstrates that when people unite to address issues or advocate for change, their collective efforts can influence policies, laws, and societal transformations. In environmental conservation, this proverb underscores the importance of individual actions in addressing global environmental challenges. Small, eco-friendly choices made by many individuals can collectively make a substantial difference in reducing waste, conserving resources, and protecting the environment. It is a reminder that efforts to combat climate change, preserve biodiversity, and promote sustainability rely on the contributions of many. In the realm of charitable activities and humanitarian work, this expression highlights the role of community and collective philanthropy. When individuals come together to support a cause, whether through donations, volunteer work, or advocacy, they create a collective force for positive change, addressing critical issues and improving the lives of those in need. Moreover, "many drops make a shower" can be applied to business and entrepreneurship. It emphasizes the cumulative impact of small customer transactions or individual sales on the overall success of a business. It underscores the importance of satisfying each customer and building a loyal clientele for long-term business growth. It is essential to note that this proverb also serves as a reminder of the value of each individual's contribution, no matter how small it may seem. Just as every raindrop plays a part in forming a shower, every person's effort contributes to the greater whole. It encourages individuals to recognize their role in achieving collective goals and to take pride in their contributions. In conclusion, the proverb "many drops make a shower" is a vivid metaphor for the power of unity, collective action, and the aggregation of individual efforts. It celebrates the idea that when people come together, their combined contributions can lead to substantial and meaningful outcomes, whether in the realm of social change, environmental conservation, philanthropy, business, or any shared endeavor. It reinforces the belief that every individual's effort, no matter how small, has a role in shaping a larger and more impactful outcome. Thank you for being till the end of this video. Please subscribe the channel because your support is paramount for me.